Okay, now, in details, court okays substituted service on Mohbad's wife for DNA. Court okays substituted service on Mohbad's wife for DNA tests. A magistrate court, okay, the story is by Shola Shoyele, updated April 18, 2024. A magistrate court sitting in the Ikorodu area of Lagos has ordered that Wunmi, the wife of the late singer Ilerioluwa Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, be served notice of a pending DNA test application by substituted means. Notice of a pending DNA test application by substituted means. Now, a statement signed by a member of the legal team to the Aloba family, Monisola Odumosu, disclosed this on Wednesday, maintaining that the order became necessary after the court sheriff attempted to serve the court process personally on Wunmi twice but failed. Let me explain that. You remember that there was a time when the court sheriff was sent with an application to go and deliver to Wunmi, but they went there twice, but they could not get her there. She was nowhere to be found. So now the court has agreed, or the court has approved, that she should be served this same application through a substituted means or through a substituted service. Now, let me go further. It will be recalled that the Aloba family is contesting the paternity of baby Liam and filed an application before the family court to grant an order against Wunmi to present herself and baby Liam a DNA test at any recognized laboratory in Lagos State. The key word there, recognized laboratory. The key word there is present herself and baby Liam. Present herself and baby Liam. Another key word is recognized laboratory. You understand? Let me go over that paragraph again. It will be recalled that the Aloba family is contesting the paternity of baby Liam and filed an application before the family court to grant an order against Wunmi to present herself and baby Liam. She doesn't need to present herself to Baba Mohbad. She doesn't need to present herself to any of the Aloba family. They don't need it. She doesn't need to present herself to you, no me. Now, I go over it again and say, it will be recalled that the Aloba family is contesting the paternity of baby Liam and filed an application before the family court to grant an order against Wunmi to present herself and baby for a DNA test at any recognized laboratory in Lagos. In the application filed by the legal team to Joseph Aloba, the father of the late singer, the family sought an order to serve Wunmi the court papers for the DNA by posting all the originating processes and other processes in the suit on the last known address of the respondent. On the last known address, I want us to be taking the keywords. The keyword here is the last known address of the respondent. The respondent will be Wunmi. Now, Odumosu, who is the legal representative of Baba Mohbad, said if the process were served on the last known address of the respondent by order of the court, it would constitute good service and she would be aware of the pending suit. The chief magistrate granted the order and ordered that the respondent be served by posting the court process on our last known address. So now, the key word here would be that the chief magistrate granted the order and also ordered that the respondent be served by posting the court process on our last known address. That will be Mohbad's house. Thank you so much, Mommy Jokem. That will be Mohbad's house, yeah. Because that's our last known address now. Let me go further. The statement added that the singer, we don't have to ask Mr. Procurement. The statement added that the singer's wife, in a viral video, please, I want us to pick keywords here. The statement added that the singer's wife, in a viral video, said she was ready for a DNA test, noting that she had never been available for the court sheriff to serve her the originating motion. Odumosu also added that the matter had been adjourned till next month for the report of service. Counsel to Wunmi, Taiwo Olawanle, has however denied, now let's take a good look at this, has however denied knowledge of the court order. In other words, they said they don't know anything about the court order. Now, he said, we don't have the court order. If we have an order, we will advise her to adhere to it. That is not a problem, but we are not aware of any order. Now, we are heading somewhere. Definitely, Mommy Belia Kings, what do you expect, ma? Now, Mohbad, age 27, died on September 12, 2023, under controversial circumstances. He had left his record label, Mania Music, owned by Naira Marley, in February 2022. In September 2023, the singer's body was exhumed for an autopsy to unravel the cause of his death. Now, the Lagos State Police Command had in the same month also inaugurated a 13-man special investigation team to probe the singer's death. And the last sitting of the coroner inquiring into the cause of his death on March 2024. I said this now, listen. The director of the Lagos State DNA and Forensic Center, Dr. Richard Somiari, had indicated that the result of an autopsy conducted on the deceased body would be ready in the next 3 to 4 weeks. That is a month. Somiari gave assurance while testifying before the coroner magistrate Adetayo Shotobi. Now, that is the end, yeah? We have some good news there, and we have some news that are concerned. That we have to pay close attention to, most especially when it comes to the autopsy. Because earlier on, I showed this to us. When, according to the Leadership newspaper, it said, this is 7 months ago, autopsy on Mohbad's body successfully completed. Autopsy on Mohbad's body successfully completed. And here, according to the Lagos State DNA and Forensic, the director of Lagos State and DNA Forensic Center, Dr. Richard Somiari, indicated that the result of an autopsy conducted on the deceased body will be ready. And this already said 7 months ago that it is ready. The ready in that place is what we don't actually understand. Messages, thank you so much. If the result here, if the publication here is saying successfully completed, and Dr. Richard is telling us here that it is going to be ready in 4 weeks, then we don't actually understand who is actually on the right path. Sky Ivy, thank you so much for joining. This is the publication this morning. It is on the website. I will also check Punch if it's on Punch, but this is on Channels Television, and if it's on Channels Television, at least in one way or the other, we can trust it also.